Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are comparing Airwallex versus Stripe in 2025, two giants in online payments. Whether you are running an e-commerce store, SaaS platform, or a global startup, choosing the right payment processor can make or break your business efficiency. So let's break down the key differences, pros, cons, and which one is best for you this year. Let's start with what each platform does. Stripe is a developer friendly global payment processor known for its powerful APIs, customizable checkout, and integrations with thousands of tools. It's a go to choice for online businesses in the US and Europe. Airwallex, on the other hand, is more of an all in one financial platform. Along with payment processing, it offers multi currency accounts, borderless cards, expense management, and global payouts, all in one place. Think of it as a global business bank alternative, not just a payment gateway. Fees and pricing. When it comes to fees, here's where things get interesting. Stripe typically charges around 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction for domestic payments and higher rates for international cards or currency conversions. Airwallex, on the other hand, offers lower FX margins around 0.3% to 0.6% above the interbank rate and no monthly fees. So if your business deals with multiple currencies or international clients, Airwallex usually ends up being cheaper. However, for local US businesses with domestic payments, Stripe's pricing is more predictable and better supported. Features and integrations. Stripe shines in integrations, from Shopify and WooCommerce to Notion, Slack, and over 1,000 apps. It also offers billing, invoicing, Connect for marketplaces, and advanced APIs for developers. Airwallex focuses on global business operations. It lets you hold over 60 currencies, pay suppliers worldwide, issue virtual and physical cards for your team, and even automate expense tracking. If you want to replace both a payment processor and a business bank, Airwallex gives you more tools under one roof. Security and reliability. Both are extremely secure. They are PCI DSS Level 1 certified, use advanced encryption, and comply with global financial regulations. Stripe is trusted by companies like Amazon and Google, while Airwallex is used by brands like Shein and Qantas. So reliability isn't an issue with either. Which one should you choose? Here's the quick verdict. Choose Stripe if you want deep integrations, a developer-friendly setup, and strong local payment support, especially in North America or Europe. Choose Airwallex if your business is global, needs multi-currency accounts, low FX fees, and built-in expense tools. If you run a cross-border business or pay international contractors, Airwallex wins. If you just need a powerful, reliable checkout system, Stripe is hard to beat. So that is it, Airwallex versus Stripe in 2025. If you find this comparison helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and see you in a new comparison.